Now then, you can also play your iTunes through the speakers in the car. If you go to iTunes, just check, if you click on whatever it is you're playing, at the bottom here on an iPhone you've got a full red triangle with 3 red circles. If you click on that, it gives you the option. It already shows you you're connected to Nissan Connect, but if you're not and it's connected to iPhone, just click on Nissan Connect. We'll turn that up, play music, and then in order to get it coming through the speakers, we click auxiliary. You may have to click it a couple of times, and it's a great sound system in here. It really is good. But you've got CD, auxiliary, or you can also click, if you've got it plugged in through the armrest, through a cable, you can just switch between your different devices, but it shows your phone, and that's it. Really simple system to program and use. And when you're driving, it's good quality sound as well when you're taking a phone call, and you can answer and disconnect from the steering wheel here. So that's it. That's how to do it.